95, 100. And backwards. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Oh my gosh, that was fantastic. You got it again. So this is a little magic trick that you guys can show your parents. And I'm going to put this on the website to teach everybody how to do this little magic trick. Imagine that you are Louis XV's kindergarten teacher. You have to make sure that he wins every game that comes into the classroom. Here's a magic trick that you might use to make him happy. First thing, you ask your students to guess your favorite number. The answer has to be a 6 or a 9, so fake it if one of those isn't your favorite number. Let's say that it's 9. Now you get your whole class to hold hands and to form a giant 9 so that a fly on the ceiling would look down and say, ah, that's a 9. So you distribute your students. Here's maybe 25 students in a big class, and you can see where I've distributed the king. So now we're going to randomly choose a card, and it's a 14. So we are going to count 14 spaces around the king. So around from the head. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now we're going to count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It worked. So let's choose another one. So that's 14, 19. Okay, we are choosing 19. Are you ready? So again, from the tail of the 9, or the head of the 6, whatever you want to call it, we're going to count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, the king is happy. No matter what number you choose or your children choose, it always turns out to be at the king at the end. You can even do counting by 5s or counting even numbers. It will always work. Isn't this magical? The king will be so impressed with you. What number would you like? More than 9, but less than 20.
25.
Well, okay, we can try 25. It is more than 20, but that's okay. We'll choose 25. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How does this work? Well, look, for example, here we've counted 19. Now, if we counted 2 more than that, so that would be 21, well then think, whenever you're going back around, in order to get back around to the king going clockwise, you're going to have to go 2 more steps clockwise. So instead of going 19, to get back to the same place, you're going to have to go 21. But that's lucky because the number of steps that you're counting back anyway is 21. So it's always going to work. I want you guys to guess my favorite number. What do you think? 2 things that you have to keep in mind for this magic trick. The first is that you have to look at the arm of the 9 or the arm of the 6. You have to count the number of students on that arm. Whenever you're asking for students to come up with a number, it has to be greater than that. You have to get off of the arm. So, for example, here we've got 9. So you can accept numbers 10 and above from your students. Okay, the second thing that you need to know is where the king is. So typically I get the students into this 9 or into this 6 pattern, and then I choose who to lay the robes of the king upon, or the queen. So that you choose after you make your figure 9 or figure 6. How do you choose? Well, since it works for any number, you can choose any number that gets you off the arm. So in this case, I'm just going to choose 10. So I'm going to go, that's up to 10. And then I'm going to count the child that I ended on. I'm going to start counting on that same child again with 1. So let's see, that would get me right round to the king at 10. So just choose any number and do it. Enjoy this magic trick. 5s?
Yes.
Yes? What number would you like to count up to? 100 by 5s? That seems awfully difficult. Do you want to try? Okay, we're going to try going up to 100 by 5s. Are you ready? What do you think?
10.
It's less than 10.
12.
12, it's less than 12. 12 is even more than 10. 10, 11, 12. So it's less than 10, definitely less than 12 too. Yes?
5.
5, it's more than 5.
6.
It's more than 6. It's more than 2. I mean, 6 is here and 2 is way down here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, it's more than 2 and it's more than 6. 3, it's more than 3 too. 6 is up here. It's more than 6. So it's definitely more than 2. It's definitely more than 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. 9. You're right. 9 is my favorite number. I really like the number 9. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh my goodness, who chose 25? Who chose 25? That was great. You got to the king. Twice in a row, you've got to the king. Wow.